Build a fire and gather round the tree. Fill a glass and maybe come and sing with me.
Jom, kau ingat ni Christmas MV ya? Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays everybody! I know 2021 has been a tough year for everyone. So if you have a girlfriend, boyfriend, or maybe just friend, or even family member who has helped you through these hard times and they are a PC gamer, you might be shopping around for a gift, you know, to let them know that you appreciate them. Well, today I'm going to show you 3 gaming peripheral setups from affordable marhan to balling bangsawan that are perfect for ending this year with a bang, no matter what type of bang you prefer. Could be Valorant, Battlefield, Halo Infinite, or CS. Go away! Let's get jingling. What are you doing? Jingling ah! Jingling-a-ling!
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
As you can see, we have a pirate shipload of, get it, Corsair products because this video is brought to you by none other than Corsair. When shopping for a sponsor for this video, I realized just how complete Corsair's range of products are, covering almost every price point. We're gonna list the prices in Malaysian ringgit as well as USD because I know how much you guys love the D. So no matter where you are in this world, this video should still be relevant to you. I've curated all these products and categorized them into 3 main setups. Number 1, the toe dipper. For those who want to dip their toes into PC gaming, basa-basa kaki sikit without breaking the bank. Number 2, we have the white rice. While the Caucasians, Mat Saleh, have their bread and butter, us Malaysians need our rice. Also, Snow White is already overused and too cheesy at this point. Number 3, and finally we have the Henry Cavill, because he is a PC gamer who also works out Sado like Superman. Joke, he's memang Superman. And The Witcher. Now we've reviewed most of these products before, links in the description below. Also remember to install the latest version of IQ software to customize the macros as well as sync the RGB lighting for all your Corsair products, as well as keep your drivers updated. Get your wallets opened, credit card handy, and mouse clicky. Let's start with the toe dipper.
All I want for Christmas is GPU.
The toe dipper basa-basa kaki setup is mostly centered around the K60 RGB Pro keyboard, priced at 419 ringgit or $89.99 While there are definitely cheaper alternatives out there, I think this is a very solid first mechanical keyboard for those people who love a full-size layout and you need your numpad. It comes with cherry viola switches, crazy bright RGB as you can see, and also a very sturdy aluminum and plastic construction. Very minimal flex. Then we have the Kata Pro Ultra Light Gaming Mouse, priced at 89 ringgit or $24.99 It weighs only 69 grams, but doesn't come with all the holes or lobang that I hate because it can get very nasty very quickly. Unless you are nasty goreng, then I cannot do much lah. It has 6 programmable buttons, Omron switches, and an excellent 12,400 dpi PixArt PAW 3327 optical sensor. Definitely one of my favorite entry-level gaming mice for FPS gamers who like a smaller mouse for claw or finger grip. Next, of course, we have the Next, of course, we have the MM300 Pro medium-sized mouse pad for 85 ringgit or $22.99 It is pretty thick with a rubber base and gives your mouse a very smooth glide. And for those who like to stay hydrated while gaming, it is also spill-proof and stain-resistant. So even if you spill your coffee, you can clean it hassle-free. Finally, we have the HS35 stereo gaming headset for 169 ringgit. It comes in 4 different colors, ours being red, wears pretty comfortably and has a detachable microphone as well as decent audio quality for the price. It also looks pretty stealthy and non-gamery in case you want to use it for commuting or something. But of course, this is a red pair, so it's gonna look quite gamery lah. This entire toe dipper setup will cost you 762 ringgit or $178 Price might differ depending on promotions and your location, of course.
And may all your Christmases be white. It's all about that bass.
Ku putih, barulah putih. Honestly, doing a white setup with Corsair is really kacang putih, easy peasy, because they really have a lot of options for white products. This white rice nasi putih setup comes with the K70 RGB Mark II Special Edition, priced at 739 ringgit or $179.99. It is basically the white version of the popular full-size K70 RGB keyboard in all white with Cherry MX speed switches, a white PBT keycaps, and a detachable wrist rest and aluminum chassis in silver. It also has a premium build quality and looks really at home in all white desk setups. For the mouse, we have the M65 RGB Elite, priced at 279 ringgit or $59.99. It comes with 8 programmable buttons and 18,000 dpi PixArt PMW3391 optical sensor and Omron switches. It's a medium-sized mouse for people who like to claw grip with adjustable weights to suit your needs. I'm still waiting for a white version of any of the newer wireless Corsair mice to come out. For now, this would be my pick for white setups. We also have the MM300 mousepad, and here's the extended version at 139 ringgit or $29.99 for those who like a nice large mousepad like me. And for the cans, we have the Virtuoso RGB Wireless, priced at 809 ringgit or $179.99. This is the Pearl version and it looks really cool, feels comfy, and has a great build quality, and most importantly, sounds great not just for gaming but also listening to music or watching movies. It also comes with a detachable mic and can be connected wirelessly via the USB dongle with the hyper-fast Corsair Slipstream technology, with a USB cable or even 3.5mm jack. In my opinion, using wireless headsets just feels really liberating for some reason, especially if you use your TV for PC gaming and like to lay back on the couch. One of my favorite gaming headsets this year, though if your ears are larger, you might prefer something with bigger cups, like the one I'm about to introduce next. This white rice nasi putih setup will set you back 1,956 ringgit or $450. Almost ngam the price of the Langkawi Siakap. No wonder Datuk Sri Vida also like lah.
Toss a coin to your witcher, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty, oh.
The Henry Cavill is the spare no expense setup for those who want a black setup instead of white, because Superman's new outfit is black in the Snyder Cut. Of course, we must firstly feature the Corsair K100 RGB optical mechanical gaming keyboard with the Corsair OPX switches, priced at 999 ringgit or $229.99. This is Corsair's flagship that has been my main gaming keyboard since it first came out. It is a full-size beast with PBT keycaps, a really premium aluminum chassis with a plush, comfy wrist rest, programmable macros, and crazy RGB lighting options. Gaming and especially typing on this thing feels extremely responsive thanks to the Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology that provides you with up to 8 times faster key press inputs via a 8000Hz hyper-polling and 4000Hz key scanning. All this while simultaneously driving 20 layers of lighting effects. For the mouse, of course, we need to go wireless with the Sabre RGB Pro Wireless Champion Series gaming mouse, priced at 469 ringgit or $109.99. This wireless mouse is ultralight at just 79 grams with 7 programmable buttons, Omron switches, and a 26,000 dpi Marksman 26K optical sensor. This is also a medium-sized mouse for palm and claw grip, and my personal favorite from this bunch since I'm a palm gripper. Also, ever since wireless mice evolved to have such low latency, this one because of Corsair's Slipstream technology, I don't think I can ever go back to wired mice. This is perfect for mobile and FPS players. For the mousepad, with this setup, can la extra a bit, let's add some RGB with the MM700 mousepad. That is the extended version. This is the MM700 RGB extended gaming mousepad, priced at 299 ringgit or $59.99. Ever since I showed this mousepad off in a live stream, a lot of you guys have been asking for it, so here you go. I find it really handy since it actually comes with a USB pass-through right here and only needs one cable. That's great. And since we already talked about the Virtuoso, instead of the Virtuoso SE that I also have here, I just wanted to include the HS80 wireless RGB priced at 659 ringgit or 149.99 US dollars. The HS80 looks really different from other Corsair headsets and has a really solid build quality. It also feels really comfortable on my melon of a head with fabric pads that doesn't get too warm after long hours. Overall, the audio quality is also excellent for the price with a decent frequency response, soundstage, as well as actually a very great stereo imaging, which makes this a very versatile pair of headphones for gaming and also consuming other content. Though it is on the bulkier side and the mic is not detachable, so you probably won't want to take it commuting or something. The Henry Cavill Abam Sado setup will set you back 2,426 ringgit or 550 US dollars. And those are the 3 setups I have for you today, which is from Mahen to Bangsawan. Firstly, we have the Toe Dipper entry level. Then we have the White Rice, which is the high-end but white. And finally, we have the Henry Cavill, which is dark and brooding. If you thought this video is awesome and helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Also check out the affiliate links down below in the description because you can buy those things from there. Gives us a little bit of support, but you don't pay extra. Very good, right? Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding any of these stuff that we actually checked out today. Some of them we've reviewed before, so the links will also be provided in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to not miss out on more content like this. And also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok because I'm no longer a boomer. Okay? Get it? Once again, huge thanks to Corsair for sending all these things over for demonstration purposes. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. And I will see you in the next year.
Last Christmas, I gave you my card. The very next day, you sold it away, you scalper.